How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Evora. I am back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with a brand new banger by the name of the Evora. And yes, you guys have been coming to me and saying, Mr. Tiny, we need more Single Section Sundays, and not only that, we need some Single Section Sundays with some new pizzazz, but we want to keep that price point intact, if you know what I mean. So, I think I have done so today with this model behind me by the name of the Evora. This model is going to be 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, right around 1,100 square feet. It's going to be 16 feet wide and 74 feet long, and it's on sale today for the great price of $115K. $115,000, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And of course, what makes us special and unique here at Recreational Resort Cottages is the curb appeal. And as you see right here on the exterior of this home, it looks like it's a multi-section even though it's a single section. The exterior is going to be a Dover gray base. It has a black trim around your windows, your doors, and fascia. And then we've topped it with the black metal roof. You'll also see an autumn chestnut accent centered here behind me, giving you all the curb appeal that you need. Now, we can talk about the outside all day long. Follow me inside so we can showcase how great this 3-2 is for you. So follow me on in, and I'm telling you guys, the curb appeal is like no other inside and out. So come on in, and you'll see here, when you walk in this home, this is what you're going to get. As soon as you enter the Evora, 1,100 square feet, never felt so sweet. And it's because of the arrangement of the floor plan, ladies and gentlemen. You've asked for it. You wanted a functional floor plan at a functional price. And this one is checking those boxes. You can see as soon as you come in, look at the focal points. Look at that tray ceiling that is going to be decked out in the antique wood accent. You'll also see this living room wall here that we have on that accent as well to match. We've also got you some additional cabinetry down below. You've already seen that it is prepped for a TV right here to be placed. We have the bookcase on one side, so that way you can add your decor of your choice and then have some additional storage. You'll also see here 2 beautiful picture windows where you can gaze out onto your property and see everything that you worked so hard for. We've given you a cherry wood ceiling fan here centered, and with this home, again, being 16 wide and 74 feet long, you can see how much space you have to operate and maneuver here in the living room. But from one side to the next, you'll see that you're going to have 2 main windows here on the front wall of the home, and then we even have the front door here that we finished out in a solid door with the peephole for you. We know some of you want that privacy, so we've given you that today. Now, this is what I love so much about it, is that the Evora is a split floor plan. So we'll follow me down on the guest wing of the home. As we come on down here, again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2 bath. We'll walk into the first bedroom. This is the smaller of the 2 rooms. You can see here, this can be utilized as an office space. It can be used for a child's room, whether it's a nursery for a toddler, small kid. This works lovely. Or if you just want a place for guests to sleep, you want them to stay, rest their head at night, but you don't want them to stay too long. This is the bedroom for them. We've given you a window here off the rear, giving you a closet here as well, so you can have additional space for your clothing and items. Now we'll keep it moving down, and we'll take it down the hallway, and you'll see here it leads down to the guest bathroom. And right here in the guest bathroom that is centralized between the two guest rooms, you'll see you have the vanity here. We have your 2 rows of ceramic tile for the backsplash. We've also given you the tub shower combo in the fiberglass finish. Also know all your fixtures, faucets, shower heads, etc. are going to be finished out in black to keep it very modern, very elegant, very up to date. Now you follow me back through, even notice the little things. You'll see it on your door handles going throughout the home of this Evora. So as we come into the second guest room, look, you get larger, basically living space in this bedroom for you to utilize. You can put any size bed that you need. You also have the closet, which is going to be here off the side. Again, place for you down low to put some shoes and things. And then up top, of course, you hang your clothing. We've given you all your vents are going to be in the ceiling, can lights in the ceiling, of course. And then you're going to have one window off the rear end side of this bedroom. Now, again, I've shown you the guest end of the home. Again, this Evora is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, around 1,100 square feet. Let's see where the rest of that square footage goes. And as you follow me down, what I love about this model, even being around 1,100 square feet, look how open and functional this floor plan is. I mean, this is what I love, the flow from the living area into the kitchen, and it's going to be separated by this large island right here. And you'll see this island is going to have more of the dark tone on the countertop. You'll see that we have the black globe with the wood accent pendant lights there. We have your farm sink finished in stainless steel with what I like to call all the fixings. We've got your cutting board, your drainers, detachable sprayer that is right here for you with the additional knob. You got the spring handle there. Again, everything that you need. You have all your storage here that's going to be on the front side of the island. You have your dishwasher built in to the island as well. Right here on what I call the fridge and appliance side of the kitchen, you will see that you're going to have that countertop continued. You're going to have your drawer bank, additional cabinetry, all the cabinets up top. We've given you the side-by-side fridge tucked in, but what I love about the kitchen of the Evora is this, the built-in hutch space. Can you see that we are adding that black and white because you know it never looks so right. I ain't talking about Mr. Tiny. I'm talking about these cabinets here, ladies and gentlemen, and you'll see right here, we've got the large cabinets on each end, finished out in the black satin with the black bar pulls, and then there centered is going to be the white cabinetry with the black bar pulls. I like to call this hutch the Oreo cookie. You got the black on the outside and the white on the center. Good is what I like to call this. And then up top, you're going to have all of the additional countertop space. Again, this works great if you're mixing a nice drink, putting that together. You got a coffee bar. Again, you're cutting up some things. You got some area to do it. And then, of course, a window to look out of as well. But let's not look past the fact that we have this unique backsplash going around here in this hutch space. What I think is so cool about it is the fact that you'll see the color hues of the blacks, the whites, and even the tans to bring out the colors of the wood accents that you'll see in the tray ceiling and the living room wall of the living room. So that is great there. And again, one thing that you guys ask for all the time in single sections that's unicorn is this. The utility room, a separate utility room. You guys sometimes get tired of the stackable washer and dryers where you're trying to fit that into a smaller square footage. Well, in this home by the name of the Evora, you get side-by-side washer and dryer, additional storage and shelving right there up above with your rod. And then you're going to have your rear door there off the rear of the home. Follow me back through, and it doesn't stop there, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to get a designated dining area. Your dining room right here is going to be kind of like your breakfast nook. That's going to be here to the side. Again, you can place a beautiful table like we've done so today. Still have enough room to eat your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and as always, gaze out onto your property. Again, 1,100 square feet. We've thought out every square foot. Now follow me on back because this is what you came for, and it is going to be the primary bedroom. And yes, you can tell that you own the place when you come in here, because you will see bedroom, you can put any size bed you would like. You've got enough room for nightstands on each side. Again, you got your cherry ceiling fan there centered for you. Directly across from that, you're going to have the front window there bringing in the natural light. And look how much space that you have here. You can put your dressers, things like that in here if you want. We got enough space to put a large plant up in here just because we wanted to. Now, the fun doesn't stop there. I told you it was 2 bathrooms, so of course you got one ensuite just for you. So follow me in and you'll see this is where the fun starts right here. You got your built-in pantry right there, your linen cabinet, as some would call it, 3 doors. You have the soaker tub right here for you, looking just so classy. And then you've got the 2 windows there up above. And then you have right here the dual vanities that are going to have the additional cabinetry down below, black faucets up top, white trim mirrors going around with 2 rows of the gray tile. You thought you was only going to get to bathe there? No, 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 no. We got the showers for the ones that can't bend over like they used to. So you got some area right here where you can just step into the shower, wash off, close it back, you're good to go. And then right here, you're going to have your toilet. Seen one, seen them all. So let's keep it moving. You will have the walk-in closet right here off the rear. So you've got the L-shaped shelf and rod. In here, you're going to also have your water heater hidden there behind that false wall. You know you're going to get that 40-gallon standard there. Close that back. Follow me on through. And again, guys, keep in mind the great price of $115K. You can get what you're looking at today. Again, you got to start doing some options here, ladies and gentlemen. Do you want to go and, hey, husbands out there, do you want to go get that new F350 right off the showroom floor? Or do you want to get this right here? You can get them for the same price, $115,000. You want to get your new truck, platinum dually, or do you want to be able to get what you see here, a place that you can lay your head, call home, and not break the bank while doing so? You can do it right here in the Evora. To recap, this home, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, around 1,100 square feet. It is on sale today for $115K, coming in at 16 feet wide and 74 feet long. And it is the Evora, which I feel is a great floor plan where we've checked a lot of the boxes that you've been asking for as far as unique design, functional floor plan, unique space as far as 3 bedrooms in 1,100 square feet, not taking up a ton of space on the property, and it is easy on your pocketbook. So we are listening to you, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you take heed to that, appreciate that, and take that appreciation and hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and let me know if you enjoyed this video tour today. If you did, also run to the comment section and let me know what your favorite feature of the Evora was today. Was it the unique wood accents that you'll see here in the living room? Was it the Oreo cookie hutch? Or was it the nice and ensuite master bathroom, that primary bathroom that you have there that just looks like you're going to stand there for a lot of time? You let me know down in the comment section and we'll keep it going. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. All a brother needs is a little subscribe button. Just hit that for me. I'm over here trying to work hard for you, and I want to make sure that you see me each and every week. So hit that subscribe button so you can see these new videos as they air. And last but not least, if you're interested in purchasing the Evora today, you know what to do. Contact Mr. Tiny directly over at Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Evora as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.